In this video, the focus is on the importance of monitoring and reporting in SAP Extended Warehouse Management. Both functions are essential components of warehouse management as they create transparency, make processes traceable, and support both operational activities and strategic planning. Monitoring in EWM refers to the continuous supervision of all warehouse processes. It allows users to view the current status of stock, movements, and resources at any time. With the help of monitoring, operational questions can be answered, such as which warehouse tasks are still open, whether certain handling units have already been processed, or which stock is available in individual storage bins. This information is available in real time and therefore forms the basis for responding immediately to deviations. An example of this is the monitoring of picking orders, where it is immediately visible whether tasks are completed on time or if delays occur. Monitoring also plays an important role in the management of goods receipts or stock transfers, as the current processing status can always be tracked. Reporting, on the other hand, focuses more on analysis and evaluation. While monitoring shows the current situation, reporting deals with the systematic review of past processes. With standardized reports or customized evaluations, key performance indicators can be derived that provide insights into efficiency and quality. These include, for example, the average processing times for goods receipts, the utilization of resources such as employees or forklifts, or the stock development over a defined period of time. This information helps to identify patterns and derive optimization measures. For instance, it may become apparent whether certain warehouse areas regularly experience bottlenecks or whether the performance of individual resources deviates compared to others. An important aspect is the close connection between monitoring and reporting. Both functions complement each other and together provide a complete picture of warehouse processes. Monitoring provides the immediate snapshot needed for day-to-day operations in order to actively control processes and react to current events. Reporting, on the other hand, provides the data basis for strategic and tactical decisions by highlighting long-term developments and enabling objective comparisons. By combining both, it is possible to intervene in the short term while also achieving long-term improvements in warehouse management.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.